Good morning, students. Now I am taking exercise 1.6. Heading is exponents and powers. I given in the example 5 power 2, 5 squared. So 5 is the base. Power term number 2 is the exponent. So what is the meaning of exponent? Power is called the exponent. We say this as, how to read this one? 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power only the read. So this is 5 square. Now 5 is base, 2 is called the exponent. Power with 0 and negative exponents. So heading, power is 0. Any a power 0 equal to answer is 1, where a not equal to 0. This power only 0 means answer is 1. Any number power 0, that value is 1. Example, 10 power 0 is 1. 1998 power 0 equal to 1. Any number power up number is 0 means answer is 1. 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 0 is 1. For example, 5 power 0 also 1. Whatever power 0, that number is and value is 1. Next, a power minus m, negative in power for a power minus m. A power minus m, this minus for how do they write? 1 by. This minus power number is minus. So that instead of you writing 1 by, minus change into the plus. Very carefully see that one. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Suppose a instead of 2 power minus 3, how do they write them? 1 by 2 power 3. 1 by 2 power 3. Next one is what I am writing? 5 power minus 3. How do they write? 1 by 5 power 3. So this minus for you writing in 1 by. Minus change into the plus. 2 power minus 1. 1 by 2 power 1 you write. Otherwise 1 by 2 also correct. 1 by 10 power 5. How do they write? 1 by 10 power 5. So minus symbol means you write in 1 by. Power number is minus, must write in 1 by. Right after what is the number there, how you write in the positive value. Expanded form of the numbers using exponents. 5832. How do they write? Read 5832 is equal to 5 into 1000. 5 next, how many number is there? Have 3 numbers. You write in 5000. 5 into 1000. Next must write in plus symbol. 8 after 5 after 3 numbers for 1000. 8 into 8 after how many number is there? Have 2 numbers. 32. 100 plus 3 into 2. 3 after how many number is there? Have only one number. 10. Okay, next 2 after 2 into, right after any number also there not how you write in 2 into 1. So 5 into 3 0 for 5 into 10 power 3 plus 8 into 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1, 2 into 10 power 0. This one instead of I am writing in all the one base is 10 for here using base 10 power 0. 58.32, how do they read? 58.32. 58 is the whole part. 32 is the decimal part. 58 is the whole part. 32 is the decimal part. So this one now closer. How do they read? 58. 5. Next 10, only one number. So 5 into 10. 10 power 1 also write, no problem. 10 only there have. Next 8 into any number also there not have. So decimal number only start for 8 into 1 you write. Next plus symbol right after 3 after 3 is the first number. So 1 by 10. So point after have the number, how do they write? By. So 3 into, what is the number is there given? 3 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. 5 into, here only one number only there have 5 power 10 power 1. 5 into 10 power 1 plus this 1 for what I am writing? 10 power 0. This 1 for only I am writing in 10 power 0 plus 3 into, by value is here minus value change into the by for plus. So here also 10 power minus 1. Point after have the numbers you write in 10 power minus 1. Here 100 for 2 0 for 2 into 10 power minus 2. 5 into 10 power 1. 8 into 10 power 0. 3 into 10 power minus 1. First number for 1. Second number for 2. So minus symbol must there write. Next one, laws of exponents. Product of law. A power m into a power n. a power m into a power n equal to 2 base same base a in base power m and n is the exponent number, so a right after into symbol means must add the power number m plus n want to add. Example 5 power 2 into 5 power 8, 5 power 2 into 5 power 8 is equal to 5 power this base 2 base for I am writing 1 5 a for 1a m plus n for m value is 2 n value is 8, so 5 power 2 plus 8 5 power 10 a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n is the formula. Next, quotient. Quotient law is a power m divided by n into change into the plus, division change into the minus. A power m. A for a, m. This by for use the symbol is what symbol? Minus. Minus n. A power m minus n is equal to. Example I am writing 10 power 100. A for I am writing in 10 power 100 divided by 10 power 50. Must want to come in 2 or base also same base. A is the base, this base want to write in correctly. So 10 after 10 power is first 100, this 50 up there means division change into the minus 50. 100 minus 50 is answer is 10 power 50. Power law a power m into a power n, a power m whole power n is equal to this one you writing a power m into n. So m into n for how do they write? Example see there 2 power 2 whole power 3 is equal to 2 power these two number multiple and write 2 into 3 2 3s are 6, so m n value is there. What is the symbol is there? Have a into symbol only in between symbol here. Bracket meaning is what is the meaning? Into, so m into n, m into n equal to mn. So formula a power m into a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn is the formula. This here meaning is what is the meaning there? Into meaning only. This is one formula. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n is one formula. The product meaning is plus. Product into symbol comes plus, division symbol minus, the bracket meaning is multiple and write the number. These three formula only use and do the sums. Standard form of the scientific notation s into 10 power a. Here s is the given number, a is the positive or negative integer. What is positive or negative integer meaning is 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. So here a value equal to plus number also right, minus number also the right. I give the example in the scientific notation 0.00123. 0.00123 is the standard form. Scientific notation for how to the write 1.23 first write 1.23 1.23 right after 10 also write. Here symbol 0 is which side is there? Have left side for using the symbol is minus. Where up to you put the point there? 1 up to, so count the number 1 2 3, so answer is minus 3. So scientific notation for answer is 1.23 into minus 3, minus value. Now here also you write in 1.23 into all the number, so 1.23 into 10. So 0 is which side is there? Have left side, so must put in the minus symbol. 1 here only keep in the point 1 2, so here write in minus 2. 0.123 how to the write 1.23 must write point after one whole number only want to come, so one whole number after point into 10 power. Now one number only moving there, this left side only calculate for minus 1 is the right the answer. Next standard form for 1 2 3 how to the write 1.23 correctly there have, so write in 1.23 into 10 power 0. Scientific notation 10 power 0, this is s value. 1.23 is the s value, 10 power 0 is 10 power a value, so must want write in into 10, given the number and into 10 must want write, power only want to calculate. 12.3 what they write 1 point first write 1 point after this point symbol which side is there going before sum all the 0 is left side, here point only moving here, so 1.23 into point only moving for how many numbers were going point, one number, so 1.23 into 10 power 1, 123, 1.23 into here only keeping the point, so here to going the point, here writing in point 1 2 3 for here only have the point you think, okay, not have the decimal point, so this point moving here 1 2 2 number moving for you writing in 1.23 into 10 power 2, 1.230 into, see there, here only have the point, okay, this point moving 1 2 3, so 10 power 3 only write it the answer. Next 12300 for what the writer 1.23 into 1 2, see here 1 2 3 4 5 number is moving, here only coming 1 point, so here writing in 1.23 into 10 power 5, 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 4 0 is there, so how to they count there, first you write in 1.23 into 10 you write 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you writing in here 6 there, before some all the one counting in the left side, now counting in the right side. Now exercise 1.6 is starting there, filling the blanks, minus 1 is the even number, even integer is dash, so minus 1 is there have even integer for you writing into 4 6 whatever, so minus 1 into minus 1 equal to minus into minus plus 1, so minus symbol change into the plus symbol for you writing here 1 you write minus 1 even integer is 1, suppose they are given in minus 1 odd integer, for what the right minus value want to come, a power 0 is answer is 1, any number power 0 is answer is 1, 4 power minus 3 into 5 power minus 3, these two number you multiple, 5 4s are 20 minus 3. Next minus 2 whole power minus 7 for this minus symbol, listen very carefully, minus 2 whole power minus 7, this minus symbol I am writing in 1 by minus 2 whole power 7, so this minus value is, what is the value, 1 by only, so how to write 1 by minus 2 into whole power minus 7, so minus 1, this minus symbol I am writing here, okay, minus 1 2 power 7 equal to minus 1 2 7 times multiple, 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 4s are 64 64 4s are 128, so 128 minus 1 by 3 whole power 5 is equal to, change and write minus 3 by 1, so minus symbol now change into the plus symbol, minus symbol question they are given in the minus symbol, I change into the plus symbol, why, inside have the number, see there inside have the number 1 by 3 I am writing in 3 by 1, okay, so minus 3 how many times want to multiple there, 5 times, get it, the answer equal to minus into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, plus plus into minus minus, must write in the minus 243. Next, true or false, the write in first, if 8 power x is equal to 1 by 64, then the value of x is minus 2 is there given, this answer is correct or not, check. Okay, 8 power x equal to 1 by 64, first question, 8 power x equal to 1 by 64. Now x value equal to minus 2 or not, come or not, check. 8 power x 1 by 64, how to they divide x, 8 into 8. 8 into 8, how to I am writing 8 power 2. This 8 power 2 up there comes division change into the minus. So 8 power x equal to 8 power minus 2. 2 base also same number, you can strike out the number, x value equal to minus 2. So here given in x is minus 2 is there given, come the answer also minus 2, question is correct there. Second question, the simplified form of 256 whole power 1 by 4 into 4 power 2 equal to 1 by 4, want to come or not, check there. See, 256 whole power 1 by 4 into 4 power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. 256 how I am divide there, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 16 16s are 256. Minus 1 by 4 into 4 power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now, how many 4 is there? Have 4, 4. I am writing in bracket work only 4 power 4 whole power minus 1 by 4 into 4 power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now, next step, 4. This bracket meaning is, what is the meaning? Into. So, 4 into minus 1 by 4 into 4 power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. I am changing this side only. Here I am not touched there. Now 4 cancel, remaining is, what is there? 1 minus 1. So 4 power minus 1 into 4 power 2 is equal to 2 base also same base. In between symbol is what symbol? Into. Into change into the plus, division change into the minus. 4 power minus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 4 power 1. Here given in 1 by 4. 4 power 1 there given in 1 by 4. See there 4 power 1. 4 power 1. Here given in 1 minus 1 by 4. Sum is false there. Next, third question. Using the power rule, 3 power 7 minus 2 is equal to 3 power 5. These two multiple there. 7 2s are 14. Here given in 5. So 14 only there want to come. So minus 14 there given is correct. 3 power 5 given for false. The standard form of 2 into 10 power minus 4 is equal to 0.0002 is correct or wrong? 0.002. So point after minus 0 in left side only 0. So must want to come in minus symbol. So 1, 2, 3 here only put in the point. 4 number going inside. So answer equal to 2 into 10 power minus 1 minus 4. This is true only correct answer. Fourth one is true. The scientific form of 123.456 is 1.23456 into 10 power 2. Power number is left side. Point is coming in left side. So here given in plus 2 means correct. They are given in the minus 2 for false is the sum. Next, evaluate. Exercise sum is starting there. This very easy this exercise. Listen the class. Must watch the video and listen the class. Evaluate 1 by 2 whole power 3. 1 by 2 whole power 3. 1 by 2 whole power 3 solution right after. These 3 here also one right, here also one right in power number. 1 power 3 divided by 2 power 3 is equal to 1 power 3 for 1 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times for 3 times write in the given base. 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is equal to 1 by 8. See there 1 by 2 whole power 3 is equal to 1 cube. 1 this number 3 here also write 1 power 3, 2 power 3. First step. Next only 1 power 3, 2 power 3. Expand and write, multiple and write means answer equal to 1 by 8. Second question. One by 2 whole power minus 5. So solution write and again you write 1 by 2 whole power minus 5 equal to this step. Very carefully listen. Now minus symbol I am not put in minus symbol. How to write it? Inside have the number, write in the reciprocal. 1 by 2 write in 2 by 1 right after power number 5 minus 5 change into the plus 5. Next this 5 multiple this 2 number also 2 power 5 1 power 5 as usual first sum model 2 power 5 1 power 5 expand in 5 times divided by 1 into 1. So this all the 2 multiple after getting the answer equal to 32 by 1 equal to 32. Next question minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3. Minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3. First what the write this minus symbol change into the plus. So inside the number write in the reciprocal. This inside write in the number is write in the reciprocal. Okay. So 5 by 6 how to the write 6 by 5. Minus symbol power number have the minus symbol writing here plus 3 minus 6 whole power 3 minus 5 whole power 3 6 write in 3 times 5 write in 3 times here given in minus 6 for minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 6 6 are 36 36 is are 250 216 5 5s are 25 25 5s are 125 minus into minus plus plus into minus 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 216 divided by 125. Next question. 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided 2 power minus 2. First do in the bracket work. 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided 2 power minus 2. Write it the question first. Next, see there 2 power here given in minus 5 7. In between symbol is into change into the plus. 2 base number also same number I'll also check into. So using the first formula, product formula, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n for, you write it here 2 power minus 5 into change into the plus 7 divided 2 power minus 2. Next step, these two also add and write. 5 minus 5 plus 7 equal to minus and write. So unlike sign. So 7 minus 5 equal to 2. 2 power 2 divided. This minus symbol I am writing here thinking what is the number is there 1. So write in the reciprocal. Write in the reciprocal for what is the number 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole power 2. This 1 here also write, there also write. 1 power 2 equal to 1 only 2 power 2. 2 power 2 into this division change into the multiplication. Reciprocal right. 2 power 2 divided by 1. So whatever multiple by divided by 1 equal to same answer 2 power 2. Now this base 2 base also same number, write in one time. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 power 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 1 minute see there. Now this step for by 1 you think. Write it 1 by 2. So here by 1 is there whole number. 4 is there means 4 by 1. 5 means 5 by 1. Same condition also 2 by 1. These two multiple in the minus change for writing plus symbol. Next this division change into the multiple for writing the reciprocal. Write and find it the answer. Next question 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided 6 power minus 2. 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided 6 power minus 2. This one how like the right minus 1 minus change for what the right 1 by 2. Which formula want to use? A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. A power m not change. I am writing in 1 by a power m. Now here given in 2 power minus 1 for 1 by 2 no need to change 1 right. So 2 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. 3 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 3 divided 6 power minus 2 for 1 by 6 power 2. Now multiple right. 1 1 is 1, 3 2s are 6. Now next this division change into the multiplication for this number right in the reciprocal. So 6 power reciprocal. So write in 6 power 2 there 1 here you write. Now 1 by 6 into 6 expand 6 into 6 divided by 1 1 6 cancel 1 6 is 6. Here you have in another 1 6. So answer equal to 6 by 1 equal to 6 is the answer. Next question evaluate. 2 by 5 whole power 4 into 5 by 2 whole power minus 2. Write it the same question next step. Next work, this one I am not changed. 2 by 5 whole power 4 into, here have the minus symbol, change into the plus first. So inside have the number. Inside what is the number? 5 by 2 write in the reciprocal 2 by 5. Write in the reciprocal. Why there want write in the reciprocal? Power number is minus for write in the reciprocal. 5 by 2 writing 2 by 5 whole power 2. 2 by 5 here also 2 by 5. Same number one time only write. Power number add 4 plus 2. So 2 by 5 4 plus 2 equal to what is the answer? 6. So 2 by 5 whole power 6 only answer. Next question. 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 divided 4 by 5 whole power minus 3. Now question write this minus change for how do they write? Inside have the number, write in the reciprocal 5 by 4 whole power 2. Here change after should not put in the minus symbol. 4 by 5 how do they write? 5 by 4 whole power 3. 5 by 4 whole square. This division now change into the multiplication for, again write in this number, write in the reciprocal. This number again you write in the reciprocal 4 by 5 whole cube. Now 5 by 4 whole square into 4 by 5 whole cube. So 5 into 5 divided by 4 into 4 into 4 cube for 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. Now all the one join and write 5 into 5, 4 into 4 into 4. Power up number, numerator number, numerator rate, denominator number, denominator rate. 1 5, 1 5, 2 5. Cancel first 5 cancel. Here 1 5, here 1 5 cancel first. next 1 4 1 4, next 1 4, next 1 4. Remaining is what is the number is there? Have a 4 5. Numerator for 4, denominator for 5. 4 by 5 is the answer. Next third question, 2 power 7 into 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. 2 power 7 into, write it the question. This minus symbol change into, writing this number reciprocal 2 by 1 whole power 3. 2 power 7 into this multiple 2 power 3, 1 you multiple also, 1 also leave it the number. 2 power 7 into 2 power 3, now two numbers also same number, write in one time into change into the addition. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 2 power 10 is the answer. Next seventh sum, evaluate. 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 power 2. Write it the question there. Solution right after. Any number power is 0 means what I am writing here? 1. Next symbol is plus. Power is minus for minus 1 by 6 you write into 3 power 2. Now here what the write 1 for 1 by 1 is there have. 2 number also different number. Take the LCM for cross multiplication. 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. 1 is 1. So 6 plus 1 divided by 6 into 3 power 2 meaning is 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 6 into 9 by 1. 9 is there have 9, how to they write? By 1 you write. Third table second kind. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Any number also can't able to cut. 7 3s are 21 by 2. 7 into 3, 2 into 1. 7 3s are 21, 21 by 2. Next question, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided 6 power minus 1. Write it the question. So how do they write this number? Power number 1 by 2, 1 by 3 divided 1 by 6. Okay, now these two number also different number, you take the LCM. Which two number? 2 and 3 also different, take the LCM. We want to take the LCM, in between symbol is plus symbol for, must take the LCM. LCM easy method only, cross multiplication. So 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1, in between symbol is 2 plus. So 1 3 is 3 plus symbol, 1 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 by 6 divided 1 by 6. Now 5 by 6 divided 1 by 6. 5 by 6, that division change into the multiplication. 1 by 6 how do I am write? 6 by 1. So 6 you strike out. 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 1 equal to answer is 5 is the answer. This sum is very easy. That 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 whole power 0. 0 you watching now. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Any number power is 0. Answer is 1. A power 0 equal to 1 only using this formula. So whatever number have, you no need to consider. Power is what is the number? 0. So answer is 0. Simplify. 3 power 2 whole power 3 into 2 into 3 power 5 whole power minus 2 into 18 power 2. So write it the same question. Okay. Now these two number multiple that 3 2s are 6. Why that bracket meaning into? So base number right after 3 2s are 6 into. Here power is minus for you writing 1 by what is the number that given right? 2 into 3 power 5 whole power minus change into the plus. 18 how to the divide? 18 see there. Third table 3 6 are 18. Next 3 2s are 6. 1 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. This 18 I expand that 3 into 3 into 2 whole squared. 3 power 6 into 1 by these two multiple here also. Here any number also not means what is the number? 1. 2 power 1 into 2 2 into 3 power 5 2s are 10 into how many 3 is there? Have 2 3s for 3 power 2 only 1 2 power for 2 power 1 you write there. Next step 3 power 6 into 1 by 2 power 2 into 3 power 10 multiple here 3 power 3 2 2s are 4 2 2s are 2 1 2 is 2 3 power 6 into 1 by 2 power 2 into 3 power 10 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 2. Now here also by 1 you write by 1 by 1. Power number numerator for what is the number is there? Have 3 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 2 divided by 2 power 2 into 3 power 10. Now these two number also same base 3 6 plus 4 into 2 power 2 2 power 2 into 3 power 10. 3 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 3 power 10 here 2 power 2 is equal divided by 2 power 2 into 3 power 10. 3 power 10, 3 power 10 cancel. 2 power 2, 2 power 2 also cancel. All the one same number. So all the one cancel after what is the number is remaining there? Have 1. 1 is the answer. 9 power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by 84 divided by 3. So 9 to question you write first. Right after this 9 how to I am divide, see there, start the bracket. 3 3s are 9. No, you should not change the number, you expand the number. 3 into 3 whole power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by 84 how to I divide, see there, 1 7 is 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, all the number you multiple, get it, the answer is 84 whole power 3. 3 power, this power is 1, here also power is 1. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. 3 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by, here also power 1 1 you think. 3 to multiple, 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. Now all the one write that. 3 power, here base is, what is the base? Same base for write in one time. Power number you add, 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 power 4, 3 power 2 plus 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3 plus 3 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. 3 power 4, 7 power 3, 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. See, this is very next step is important. Here 2 3 is there, have up one number, down number. How time write? 3 you write, 4 you write after. This plus 3 change into the division for what symbol I am writing? Minus 3. Minus symbol right after. Here power is 3 you write into 7 7 you consider that. What is the number here? Have a 7. Power number here 3. This plus 3 up there comes what the right? Minus 3 into 2 power 5. Here 2 power 6. So 5 minus 6. So whatever the division change into the minus, power number division change into the minus, power number only change means enough. 2 base also same base for 1 base only you write. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 power 5 minus 6 for 5 minus 6 is not possible. 6 minus 5 equal to minus 1. 3 power 1, 1 time only multiple 3. So any number power is 0 means what is the answer? 1. 2 power minus 1. 1 3 is 3. How to the write in minus symbol? 1 by 2. 1 3 is 3. 2. Answer is 3 by 2. 2 power 8 into 2187 divided by 3 power 5 into 32. So again write the question. 2 power 8 first write. 2187 LCM method to divide. How many 3 is there coming there? See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 power 7. This all the number you multiple, definitely come the answer. Divided by 3 power 5. 32 how to divide? 2 power 5. Now see that same condition, whatever doing in first sum same. 2 to join first. 2 power 8 to 2 power 5. 2 power 8 first right after. This plus 5 up there comes what the right? Minus 5. 2 power 8 minus 5 into 3 power 7. This 5 there comes what the right? Minus 5. Should not write here after the numbers. Now 8 minus 3 is answer is 8 minus 5 is answer is 3. 7 minus 5 is answer is 2. 2 power 3 into 3 power 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72. Now 7th question, solve for x. You find the value of x. 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4. You write it first question. What is their given? Solution right after right. Next work, left side, this one I am not changing, same what is there, how right. 4 how to there expand there? 2 into 2. How many 2 is there? How 2 2 for 2 power 1, 2 power 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 power 2 you write. Next step, 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 power 2. So this number you do in the cross multiplication here. Okay, 2 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 power 2 right after this number going up for 2 power x plus 2. Now see the base, all the one is what is the base? Same base. 2 power 2x minus 1 right. Here same base are not, in between symbol is what symbol? Into. So 1 2 only right after, base for 1 2 only right. Power number is what is the number? 2. This into for put in the symbol is plus. Next x plus 2. 2x minus 1 equal to 2 plus x plus 2. Now 2 base also same base, you strike out the same base and write it there. 2x minus 1 equal to, power number is 2 plus x plus 2. 2x minus 1 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4, x separate. Here how many x is there? 1x is there. 2x plus 1x equal to, after means what the right? Minus 1x. This minus 1 there comes what the right? Plus 1. 2x minus 1x equal to 1x. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1x equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. X equal to 5. 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 4 into 5 power x equal to 5 power minus 5 divided by 5 power 12. Same as it is question, right? Same condition only. This 5 power 12 here you multiple. Cross multiplication. So into right, and this 5 power 12 there you write. Next step, all the base here, base is what is the base? 5. 1 5 only, right? First number is what is the number? 5. Second number is minus 4. Third number is x. So here write in 1x you write, otherwise confuse there. Here 5, this 5 for right, minus 5 plus 12. Why there put in plus symbol? Into for you put in the plus symbol. Here into there plus coming, so plus into minus for minus, right? 5 minus 1 is 2, base also same base, strike out the 5. Remaining power number is what is the number? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 x. 5 minus 5 12. 1 x equal to 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Plus 1 there equal to after means minus 1. X equal to 7 minus 1. So x equal to 6 is the answer. This expanded from you 5th standard to studied there. 6054.321. Point after reading separately. 6054. 6 into 6 after how many number is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am writing in 1000. Next should not forget put in the plus symbol. Otherwise here put in the bracket. Not confuse. 0 into 0 after how many number is there? 2 numbers for you write in 100. Plus 5 after how many number is there? 1 number. 10. 5 into 10. All the one exponents meaning is into 10 there want right. 4 after here point only start. So any number also there not have you write in into 1. Plus this plus right after 3 into first number for 1 by 10. First number you write in 1 by 10. Second number is 1 by 100. Third number is 1 by 1000. 3 into 1 by 10 into 2 into 1 by 100 plus 1 into 1 by 1000. 6 into, so 1000 how time write? 30 for 10 power 3 plus 0 into 100 for 10 power 2. So write in the bracket, otherwise confuse only there. Plus symbol must there write. 10 power 1, 0 only there power 1. This 1 for all the one exponent for 10 only using for write in 10 0. 10 power 0 value equal to 1. So this 1 not should not change for 10 power 0, right? 3 into by 10 for what the rate? Minus 1. 1 0 for 1 by for you write in minus plus 2 into 100 for 10 power minus 2. 1 into 1000 for 1 by minus 3. So by number for 0 is there, means must put in the 1 by start means you write in minus. 1 0 for 1, 2 0 for 2, 3 0 for 3, minus symbol. This 0 is multiple any number, 0 only answer, leave with the number. 6 into 10 power 3. The 0 to any number multiple answer is 0. 5 into 10 power 1, 4 into 10 power 0, 3 into as it is what is there how you write. The same method you want to do this some homework. 897.14 is the homework you do and submit that homework. Next 9th Roman letter, find the number in the standard form for the following expansions. Given the number. So how to there write? First you see there power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1. Okay, here also 1 is there. How go to the right there? 10 power 0 you write. 10 power 0. Next, minus value for power number is correctly start or not, decrease or answer. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See there? 4, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. So this 1 for I am writing 10 power 2. Here also start in minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 must want to come. So here not having minus 1 for what the right there is 0. Minus 1 is there not have 0. Minus 2 is have or not, so you write in 4. minus 3 is the power not have, you write in 0. 7, 4 for 7. So point right after minus symbol starting means you put in the point. What is the answer? 0, 4, 8, 0, 4, 0, 7. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 correctly there have. So write it the number 8, 7, 6, 5, 2. First 2 you write. Minus symbol start for you put in the point. 2 before minus 1 is there need no for what the right is 0. 2 after what is there need minus 3. Minus 3 also there not have, you write in 0, 7. Next question 5 into 10 power 3 into 5 power 10 power 1, 5 power 10 power minus 1, 5 power minus 10 power minus 3. 3 next must what is the need there? 2 is here have a no for what the right is 0 must come. 10 power 1 is there have, 10 power 0 is there not have, so must want to come in 0. Next 1 is there have, minus 1 is there have, minus 2 for add in the 0. So how to the write MC there? 3 for 5, first 3 is there have, 5 you write. 3 next what is there need 2. 2 not have for write in the 0. 1 is there have, write in the 5. 1 next what is there need is 0. 0 not have for you write in the 0. Minus is start for you put in the point. Minus 1 is there have 5 right. Minus 2 is there not have for write in the 0. Minus 3. Minus 2 is there not have, write in the 0. Minus 3 is there have, you write in the 5. Number right 10 and all no need. The radius of the hydrogen atom is 2.5 into 10 power minus 1 meter. How time write? See there 2.5 into 10 power minus 11 meter right after. This minus 11 write down. 2.5 into by right after no need to put in the minus symbol 10 power 11 meter. Now power is what is the value? Minus value. So how to I am write? See there 0.11 minus for how many 11 side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10, 0. 10 power minus 11 is there. So I am writing in how many zeros I am writing here? 10, 0, 2 also join right. 0.000000 right after you write there. Okay. Now answer is 0.10 right after 25 right. Write the following numbers in the scientific notation. See here 4.4 here have the whole number for 4.1 right. Point after how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here started 4. Not have the decimal point for you put in the decimal point. Right after 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many number is there have? 4.68 you write after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 power 11 you write. Right side 0 means you put in the plus 11. Left side 0 means you put in the minus symbol first. So write in here 1972 you showing no first you write in 1.7972 right after 10 power minus symbol also you write. Right after you count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 up to writing here, so minus 6. Left side 0 means minus, right side 0 means plus symbol only. 1642.398. Now this point symbol for here going the number. How many numbers were there going? 3 numbers. 1.6423898 into 10 power 3. Why here writing plus number? Here point is where is going? Left side. Here right side coming for minus symbol. Left side coming for you write in the plus symbol. Earth volume about they are given in the number. So 1 point right. 1.803 is showing the number. You write 1.083 right after. Where do you start? Where to start in the point 1.083 right after. Where to start the point 0 near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10 power 12 cubic kilometer right there. Very easy the sums. Once again do and practice means come the sum. Next sum 0 point they are given in. How many 0 is there given? 23 0 is there given. Okay, you count that 23 0 for I am taking in 1 also 1.6 into 10 power 24. How many numbers there are? 1 to start and count there. Point and all which side going? Right side going for you write in the minus symbol 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 24 kilogram. Choose the best answer. By what number should be minus 4 power minus 1? Minus 4 power minus 1 be multiple, show that the product becomes 10 power minus 1. You find it the answer. Which number? 4 power minus 1. I am have to write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 right after I have the minus symbol for writing the minus symbol. Minus 1 by 4. Which number for you write in x is equal to 1 by 10. 10 power minus 1. How do they write? 1 by 10. This into the go means put in the division. So first write in x equal to 1 by 10 also write. After this into symbol change into the division, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 10. Now this division change into the multiplication. This number write in the 1 reciprocal, 4 by 1. Minus symbol up only write. 1 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2, 5 into 1 equal to 5. Next question, minus 2 whole power minus 3 into minus 2 whole power minus 2 is equal to dash. How do they find? See that? Minus 2 whole power minus 3, how to the write? 1 by. This minus symbol for 1 by right after here have the number right. Minus 2 whole power 3. Minus 3 should not write. This minus for 1 only started. Minus 1 by minus 2. This minus symbol for plus symbol. So 2. Down number you see there 1 by minus 2 3 times right, into symbol right and minus 2 2 times right. 1 into 1 1. This all the number also multiple. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Plus minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Standard form for minus symbol up you write. Answer is minus 1 by 32. Now this sum for minus 1 by 32 is the correct answer. Which is not correct? For all the options also right after find. Which one is not correct? Only find that. Minus 1 by 4 whole square, how to write? Minus 1 into minus 1 divided by 4 into 4. This one how like write? 1 by 4 power 2. 1 1 is 1. 4 4s are 16. Here 1 by 4 4s are 16. 2 answer also correct answer. So this is no option. So minus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 whole power 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 divided by 4 into 4. This one 4 times multiple. 1 into 4, 1 power 4, 2 power 4 for 4 times we write. 1 by 16. 1 into 1, 1. Minus into minus plus. 1 by 16 is equal to 1 by 16. Next, third option. Minus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 16 by 1 minus 1. So 2 times multiple. Minus into minus 1 by 16. 1 by 16 same answer. This one also option for not correct. Now minus of 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 16 power minus 1. Minus minus only write. This one for how to write? 1 1 is 1. 4 4s are 16. 2 times multiple. Here how do they write? 1 by 16. Here minus symbol, bracket meaning is into, here have the symbol is plus. Plus into minus, minus 1 by 16 is equal to 1 by 16. This is only not equal. Why? Here minus symbol, that plus symbol. So which option is now not correct? There D option only not correct. Next, 10 power minus x divided by 10 power minus 3 equal to 10 power 9. Down have the number do in the cross multiplication first work. 10 power x is equal to 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power x, 10 power into symbol for plus into minus, minus. 9 minus 3, minus and right. So x equal to 10, 10 cancel. Same base for you no need to write in 10. X equal to 9 minus 3. X equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. This sum for answer is C is the correct answer. 6 is the correct answer. Here all the one you multiple. So count the zeros. How many zero is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So how here showing in the number is what is the number? 20, 20 showing us. So 2 point you keep. 2 after fully you want to count 10 number is there have. So how do they write? 2.02 into 10 power 10 you write. Left side 0. So you write in minus symbol. Answer is D is the correct answer.